Samsung is gearing up to debut its latest generation of smartwatches, the Galaxy Watch 8 and Galaxy Watch 8 Classic, alongside its forthcoming foldable smartphones, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Flip 7, at its upcoming Summer Unpacked showcase. Anticipation has been mounting around the redesign and fresh functionalities expected with these wearables. However, a recent leak has been making waves for less than ideal reasons, and unfortunately, it's not the kind of update enthusiasts had in mind. Based on a 3C certification spotted in China, both the Galaxy Watch 8 and Watch 8 Classic will maintain charging speeds capped at 10 watts, identical to last year's Galaxy Watch 7. If you were expecting a quicker way to power up your smartwatch, this may come as a slight disappointment. For those unfamiliar, 3C certification is a regulatory prerequisite for electronics sold in China and is often an early source of device leaks. This listing not only validates the existence of LTE-ready versions of both models, something now fairly routine, but also reveals the unchanged charging rate. Let's put that into context. In 2025, where smartphones and even wireless earbuds are boasting rapid charging tech, 10 watts simply feels outdated, especially for premium smartwatches meant to handle more tasks than ever. Faster charging would be a welcome convenience for users who depend on their smartwatches for all-day health tracking, notifications, and even on-the-go calls and messaging. An upgrade in charging speed could have made a tangible impact, particularly for those using LTE, GPS, and continuous heart rate monitoring. So, why didn't Samsung implement that enhancement? While no official reason has been shared, possible explanations include battery safety protocols, thermal regulation, or even physical design limitations. Regardless of the rationale, it feels like a missed opportunity, particularly as rivals like Apple and Google continue to push technological boundaries elsewhere. Beyond charging rates, the 3C listing also confirms that both the Galaxy Watch 8 and 8 Classic will support Bluetooth 5.3, Wi-Fi, GNSS, NFC, and naturally, wireless charging. While all of these are appreciated, they are now standard in contemporary smartwatches and don't necessarily set new benchmarks. Where things could get intriguing is the design. According to recent leaks, Samsung may be veering away from its iconic circular watch face design and exploring a more distinctive aesthetic. Rumors indicate the new Galaxy watches could feature a squircle shape, essentially a square body with softly rounded corners, still housing a circular display. Think of it as a fusion of square and circle, blending modern flair with classic elegance. This style could align the Galaxy Watch 8 range more closely with the Galaxy Watch Ultra, which launched last year and catered to more rugged, adventure-driven users. It would also allow Samsung to visually distinguish its premium wearables from the Apple Watch, which has long favored a rectangular format. So, although the charging speeds remain unchanged, Samsung appears to be investing heavily in refining the aesthetic and user experience of its smartwatches. And in a market where design, comfort, and personal style are just as crucial as technical specs, that shift could still capture plenty of interest. The Galaxy Watch 8 and Galaxy Watch 8 Classic are expected to be formally revealed in early July, taking the spotlight alongside the highly awaited Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Galaxy Z Flip 7. These smartwatches are poised to compete directly with Apple's Watch Series 10, which was released last September. And while Apple continues to dominate the wearable space, Samsung's upcoming offerings could provide Android users with a stylish and robust alternative, even if the charging speed hasn't improved. Stay tuned for more developments as the launch approaches. Whether you're a devoted Samsung fan or just